This is day 6 of my hike from Mexico to Canada along the Pacific Crest Trail, and this is how we spend a 0 day here in Julian.
After 5 days of hiking in the heat, it was tough to get out of bed. But once we left the Julian Lodge, we headed over to Mom's for our free PCT pie. I mean, take a look at these things. Baked fresh daily. Many different flavors to choose from, but I went with the strawberry rhubarb pie as it reminded me of my great uncles that he used to make at the lake. I then went to 2 Foot Adventures to grab a couple additional pieces of gear and a stock up on food for the next 5 days on trail ahead. For lunch, Victor and I headed over to Quecho, a local Mexican spot in Julian. With the hiker hunger slowly starting to take fold, we decided to grab massive burritos, which honestly we could have had multiple of.
The nice thing about Mexican restaurants in Southern California is they're good. They know how to make food.
The afternoon was primarily spent at the hotel, stretching, taking care of the bumps and bruises from the first few days, before we headed back out to the Julian Brewing Co. to meet up with Jim and Scott. Not for any more beers as we'd be hitting the trail, but another full pizza. Spent the time eating and discussing the upcoming days ahead in order to get us to Idlewild.
For the second night in a row, the boys shut down the brewery. It's not saying much when it closes at 8, but hey, we're on the way home. We're gonna get a night's rest, and then we're up early and back on the trail, so we'll see you guys in the morning.